Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel Medicos Notes. In the last video we had discussed about the vitamin A. So we covered the sources of vitamin A chemistry, absorption, transport, mobilization and RDA of vitamin A. In today's video I will be discussing about the functions of the vitamin A. Friends, vitamin A is very important topic because you get it in biochemistry also, it is there in the community medicine also, and when you enter final year in the medicine also, vitamin A you will get as a main question. So it's very important. So I have tried to cover all the aspects of vitamin A, both all biochemistry, community medicine part and medicine part also. I hope it will help. So coming to the functions of vitamin A, first one is vision. Vitamin A is very important for the vision. In that, Wald's visual cycle. What is Wald's visual cycle? It is a cycle where the light is converted into electric signal in the rod cells, cone cells and ganglion cells of the retina. Why is it called Wald's visual cycle? It was elucidated by George Wald, and he also received Nobel Prize for it in the year 1967. So it was named after him as Wald's visual cycle. So let us understand what happens in the Wald's visual cycle, how light is converted into electric signal, what are the steps involved. So there is a rhodopsin, which is a conjugated protein present in the rhodopsin. It contains opsin and 11-cis retinal. So when exposed to the sunlight, the retinal isomerization of the retinal takes place. This 11-cis retinal undergoes isomerization to release all trans retinal. So opsin is released and then again it is reduced to all trans retinol, which is then transferred to the adjacent retinal pigment epithelium. Then again it undergoes isomerization to release 11-cis retinol, which is then again oxidized to 11-cis retinal. That returns to the photoreceptor cells and combines with the opsin again, and to again it regenerates rhodopsin. Once again, let's repeat the cycle. Rhodopsin, which contains opsin and 11-cis retinal, undergoes isomerization to form all trans retinal, which is then reduced to all trans retinol, which again is isomerized to 11-cis retinol and then oxidized to 11-cis retinal, which again combines with the opsin and regenerates rhodopsin. Let's understand the visual cascade, how the light is converted into electrical signal which will be sent to the brain. See, when the light strikes the retina, photon from the light is absorbed by the rhodopsin. So metarhodopsin 2 is formed. It activates the inactive transducin to active transducin and utilizes GDP, and it activates and GDP is released. So active transducin again activates inactive phosphodiesterase into active phosphodiesterase. That is an enzyme. So after activation, that enzyme degrades cyclic GMP in the rod cells to the 5-GMP. So rapid decrease in the cyclic GMP level causes closure of the sodium channel in the membrane of the rod cells. So because of the closure, there will be reduced influx of the sodium, which causes hyperpolarization of the membrane that generates the nerve impulse, which reaches then the visual cortex. One more time, the complete visual cascade. When light strikes the retina, photon from the light is absorbed by the rhodopsin. Metarhodopsin 2 is formed, which activates inactive transducin to the active transducin. That again activates the enzyme inactive phosphodiesterase into active phosphodiesterase, which then degrades cyclic GMP into 5-GMP, which causes closure of the sodium channel. Because of the decreased influx of the sodium, there is hyperpolarization of the membrane, which generates the nerve impulse, which will reach the visual cortex. The color sensitive pigments are for the red porphyropsin, for the green iodopsin, for the blue cyanopsin. So after completing role of vitamin A in the vision, let us see the other functions of vitamin A. Vitamin A also regulates protein synthesis, thus involved in the cell growth and differentiation. And it also maintains healthy epithelial tissue by preventing the keratin synthesis. Synthesis of certain glycoproteins required for growth and mucous secretion. It also helps in the synthesis of transferrin, which is an iron transport protein. So it also maintains a proper immune system, helps in the cholesterol synthesis, and the carotenoids, they also act as antioxidants. It also supports skeletal growth, and it has anti-infective property also. So dear friends, in this video I tried to cover the functions of vitamin A, which is a very big topic again. So we covered sources, chemistry, absorption, RDA, and functions. In the next video, I will be discussing about the deficiency treatment and prophylaxis of vitamin A. I hope today's video helped you to understand some part of the Wald's visual cycle, visual cascade. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment if you want any other topic, or if you want me to improve in any way. Your likes, comments motivates me to make more videos. So please like my video and share it to maximum. In the future, hope to cover more topics. See you all in the next video with other parts of the vitamin A. Till then, take care.